ya for wh0. Yes, no. Fia go for can ntade. Yentade.
O like you do no.
Enya dum so kafle ake. Get me do the bear.
Maybe I want you ofie you dum light pa.
Oh papa, me say kafle ake. Say any seconds that cre. Nen second ni aso. Ni ade ti me dum da bia areho.
Ebisi me fa so bo no mo Ghana ban. Na nya botere.
Ye nya botere be bo no because aban na obaye na okoye no. Light no ye hu bi.
Abusuafo me mamu nyina mo akwaba ediba Ghana nsem TV so. But more this like video na be subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that next time videos of this nature ba also on sa ebiti makabi na also watch the wadwen or comment section wasa. Say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me e ofe na person boan which are through number na wasi ono adaroma in Sabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni ni beso pa so. Na another I came across a video and I'm watching on social media, and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now, me share video no. I decided me for free when say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be me say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebe, I will say, youth of a, like youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians, now of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
Yeah, Mahama ya for wh0. Yes, no. Fia go for can ntade. Yentade.
O like you do no.
Enya dum so kafle ake. Get me do the bear.
Maybe I want you ofie you dum light pa.
Oh papa, me say kafle ake. Say any seconds that cre. Nen second ni aso. Ni ade ti me dum da bia areho.
Ebisi me fa so bo no mo Ghana ban. Na nya botere.
Ye nya botere be bo no because aban na obaye na okoye no. Light no ye hu bi. No kure de oka ho nye.
Nana Addo abreso.
Yes.
Ma hu de mo kom sese.
Dabi anu kwa de yin na. Tene so anu asole. Ono nko de no kure. Obi a wanka no kure bia enye se me twa ntro. Nana Addo amamu de light de tene so anu masole.
Mo free SNN
yes also twa de.
Nana Addo abreso no.
Ne me kwasoro bat ne yeto. O se ya teso nso ye nto.
Ebi no mo se adeto na mo se yento ni na mo ba no ma ba beda if say
na yeto na ade a wo beda. Meti wa yegu me so anga me siasa nga nka me no. Me ba ye yento nti meda.
Oh okay.
Obia ni wa yegu ni so a obeda. Edwa ne diam na ha ma esro ntu akokofo ka. Ni ehu sika mo no.
Okay.
We ehu sika mo no. Ni ento ade ma ye na ye se de mu oden.
Yeah, that's no adventure.
Oba ukuta ma okofi na Addo nsapan ye. Okwa so anu asa akopeleka. Africa mienu no Africa mienu aba. Okwa no ba almost buy 20 cities na de kwa oba ni ento ade asa ebe ye onya hwe. Nti yes.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year. And they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this, and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Regr3ts. as propaganda secretary, mention people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi, former foreign affairs minister?
And give me a contract to go and insult a president of Ghana somewhere. And I said, this is a big thing that I can't do it. And even when you go through, my mom is an adopted child, which the president, my mom is from the president's side, which the president that I'm talking is Nana Addo.
Wow.
This thing happened at the time Nana Addo was a president. There are certain things I don't want to go to that point because it's something that was uncalled for. And such a man that I respect so much, I was shocked that such a man can give me that contract to go and do. So I said...
wait, I want to understand it well. So the pastor reached out to you and wanted you to do a song.
No.
To insult the president,
No.
or he wanted you to do it verbally.
Verbally.
Honorable Anodompre, Daddy. Uni with team, money mutu, Yanko Ponshira, papa. Yasisa o yampi wa ensawama duajira sehen. Yanko Ponshira wo papa. Yadi ya mabunu ya fra wo Samson of our time. Woni ya wiye ye bremu Samson. These are the sum of situational. Ya ma menom ni ya papa no ma omo grounds, omo fam. Ya tikrom ha, ya se dollar kofom. Dia na dollar. Impact bay na dollar wo ewo Ghana fo ya setena mu ni abrabo so. Ene ko busa businessman fo a ekra no ma fra brochire situation omu komu wo port. Ni dwirimu a ekoso. Ene wo mu nyina anu omu ho, omu ntimi ma out meka. Say bi ni ehia mo, enya TV so ni radio station so dabi kuani nu ntimi nka ne hawa wo namu nkirew. MPP and woman be saying na ya lacking to honorable me hunu ni amenye. Mu amu betua akuafo ka akuafo do wo mumuro no omo no baya mukọ ye no omo ka 14 million one bag of maize enso no omunya atofo omo to ene 3 million omunya ni nyina ne se NDC aban se na de Regr3ts no obekọ akofa aburo kronunti obewia kobunko ntaso akoto aburo bag baako 1 billion. Because ye timito one television set 8.something billion ewo man we mu. Yan koto bro wo Regr3ts na ye bunkonta ye tumia bugana fo. Na ye tuwo man we mu enipa no bia koje bosia do bro ne mo ye nya tofo mo nto na NDC aban to bro free Regr3ts neba. Adaya ya de ma ye port na mo nto. Ghana fo free ye poultry farm bepem ne. Nkosia ye di ni krom ha free tete bepem ne. Ena de Regr3ts mom na wose ye to aburo ma ye nkokọ. Adwene krono adwene. Yeti wo man we mu yankasa ya maamenom ne ya papa no ma do aburo enya atofo ete wose ye kra aburo free Regr3ts. Enya politics ni yo eno ma bi wo ho a ekoso aban we ya breso abufu time sabi nyansa bia ni ho a ewom ti krom ho ekra bro free Regr3ts ona bu nyame nhira o mokura mo basabi mo ba ye ma akuafo timi ton omo no baye enya sika to omo botom no koko akuafo mo pagya omo koko buom etua omo ka no yenya nipa no mu bi mo tisi fom eko insight akuafo dada omo abapem ne kuani nsanka ni sika na mo de amotete radio station so TV station so ade na mo ye. We need you people on the ground. Ye hear mo grounds. Na Ghana fo su, Ghana fo adwadifo su, Ghana fo akuafo su. Asuku fo nkwa de su. We need you people on the ground. Adwuma no wo form. Ukọ form ho a, sane akuafo ka omo ha no. Na Ghana fo hu sampa. Weni no ma ekoso. Yatiti TV station so na mokwa omo ya dollar hu debate. Dollar rate hu debate. Adi emfaso na de owa kwasimintim ne ye wote adwira kwa medanso dora wo eyewo na brabom. Emfaso be na dora ewo na brabo so. Ye hia mo grounds. ye hia mo grounds abambone enkrofo we ya mebu man yo Ghana fo eno na ya me ya dabi munya fom agudie omo ba ye efom agudie na omo hwehwe yes John Mahama ni nua efom agudie ne ye pe asesa ni nyina akogugu adie me nua no mo amugu sirem mo hwehwe situation amonam enne ebro bayire beans ene bayire eno na mo de bom ho bra mo hwehwe de amonam ne me se John Mahama o mebu man me ka kire mo ene da ho no ono na busua me ya wawie na busua me ya wawie gonja mafia na busua me ya wawie asa akuafo ya adwuma ehia atofo da bi ewasi yakwa bro free Brazil na ye de akoya nkonta bu Ghana fo sika ne dwirima ye dinti ye nto Ghana fo aburo ye tikrom ha ya nya banya waso won toga na Brazil wo asase papa chen Ghana Brazil na ono na asase wura ne sere ayi ahwede nko na odedo no Brazil wo asase chen Ghana Brazil wo asase chen Ghana ewia be ka kire yese galamsenti yensa ase asaya yentumi mfanya ayi ti ekoto aburo afri Brazil obi tisra so timpomu wansamire Addo forest green ya noda adua bro onya atofo wo se Brazil aburo na ye akronfo Brazil wa asase ya de do aburo papa chen Ghana wa asase ya de do mo papa chen Ghana NDC akronfo aban Brazil wa asase papa chen Ghana
NDC mpanimfo amuni munyansa you are the ones I blame na NDC ntiase ese munya special I'm be honest here. I'm a family one example. Say, penny for be. Me friend one month fano. Me here with you. And I miss you. Me aba and I miss you. Me kase me aba because me mame firstborn. I was 54 years. Or no ye pay. Inti wo ye me aba penny. 2 years ago, na ye campaign, na me no kasa. Me try interview how, mami. Me try interview. Me no na me ne won tam ye fine. Me ba Ghana na ye shia kama me ni nkoto be shia kama ye shia wo ye bisa sika ye bisa ka pre. Ma this ready a me de to wanim na ye ba ko pe. Ene say enye me last born. Ye last born. Minua ba ketua odi machi oko private nursing owie school na adwuma ba ye problem enti se mubetimi aboa no na in case e bia mo fa nurses na se mubetimi di ni din ahim amamia eno pene ma de sre dia me de to wanim manka se me hia post to be manka se me pe abochire bi akọ eno pe ene ma de sre die me de to ma me wanim. If you ho me free Ghana eba ha me free wo a wo fa bi me send no message you don't even read me nim se me free wo asem bi o wadwen ye o se me be sre me wan so me sre skada me NDC ni bi e di ko amatwefo na afre no ebisa ne sikada nobody me can come out and say chairman free me na o se ohia boa ohia ska nobody not even my senior Kevin Taylor. I'm saying it again. Me see nobody, not even my senior Kevin Taylor. So Kevin Taylor achema dieda, which of course achema dieda. Eye onua kasama kumemu. Ena odi chairman man sreno. Menya sesrefo. Iti ye fremu na se mo mfa. E mama dwen nyam say ye fremu say ye hia bibi o. Fefe na efe. Se me no ntembe kama. Fefe na efe say na ye adwumaden. Enya ye nko social media for mainstream media for Ghana for the youth devoted themselves and their time. Eye adwumade boa NDC and esa youth no e dia ade na omonsa aka. What have they gotten? Nothing. Can't promise any NDC member say meboa me campaign and as me kasa dia boa NDC. I can't promise. NDC mean to me because of musubai. With musem what thing, with trim what thing, why you say chin say barry. When they create do at panty, no problem. me ano so boxer credo kotokuro pa de dem mo de montena se na mutiri mu nya den na mo no matamfo na omo a edo NDC monto ye ntwene ohene baba oba ni na anu ya ba ye video ka se ye frem okura mo mfa biem Nurudi na bas mu nyina na ye ne mwa na ekọ na eba o ene
adwini future obetimi ko gina adokro ne nkyinam so to waba ade
ba se o nyame kwan na ode ato ho no se wo so ye sofo na wo beka no kura kire Ghana fo na nyame kwan todo no eda ho asofo esese mu hu no kura wei na mo kan na wo de ba be ye wo de be wada because wa ka se president Mahama ye wadamfo wo ye would be a wo ne no country musam ni